Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to reset your Betway password. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you tap it in, you'll get to this website. Now on this website, you'll have to log into your account, so click on this green button. Then it will ask you to enter your username and your password. Since you don't know your password, click on this link where it says forgot password. Then a new window will open up. In this box, you'll have to enter your username or your email address. So go ahead and do that. Once you have done so, click on this submit button. Now they will send you a confirmation mail in your email. So go ahead and check your Gmail. The email should look something like this. Once you receive similar email, you can click on this reset password button. Once you click on it, it will take you to another page where you can reset your password. So first of all, in this box, enter your new password. You can also recheck your password by clicking on this icon and then enter the same password on this box to confirm it. Be sure to enter the same password because if it doesn't match, you can change your password. Once you have done so, click on this submit button and then your password will be reset successfully. So this is how you do it. Now you can log into your account using your new password. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.